August 9th, 2024. We still got some birds in the sky. Look, a little rainbow over there. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Made it on the roof. Look at that. Awesome. Still think we get one in the bushes, right, Jace?
Yeah.
Jace watched that red. So it's awesome that I got Jace to help me with this training, because more eyes, you know, especially in the beginning. Birds every, oh, let him go. Flew right over Jace. Look at that, right there. Perfect.
Almost take me out.
That's, oh, look at that. We almost went again. Where is that bird? We had some drift, so we might have some drift out. We had the bird from, oh, look at that one. Beautiful pie. We had the bird from Jada last time. Oh, right there, son. Right above. Oh, too zoomed. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay. They're looping kind of big, but that's good. They got to map it out. Look at, oh, on Prince. Right, there's a race bird, though. Look at that. Like I said, we call that redneck doves. Not redneck, but ring-necked doves. We call them princes when doves cry. Always want to join the race birds. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. They're flying good. Jace, keep an eye for see if that bird in the bush come out. The other two that landed in there the other day, they just flew out on their own. So look at that. Boom. Kind of hard to do aerials because, you know, these birds just fly kind of unorganized right now. Look at that one. That one is moving, baby. Look at that. Oh, I think that's Hammy's bird. I think that was Houdini. Pretty sure that was Houdini. So Jace just went in the house to do something. But yeah, I think that was Houdini. Right there. His nestmate, Marshall, kind of went up, then went on that loft. They're young. There we go. Look at that. There we go. Good. Starting to get somewhere, you know. Need to get somewhere. You see those guys, they're being antsy. In a way, I want to push them up, but, you know, good bunch of them went up, so. That one just came back. Oh, stop chasing him over here. Cut around this way, Jace. Okay. Had a bird really cut out that way. See if he'll cut back. Jace, right up here. Got one on the roof. Got a cat by me. I told Jace get that cat away. He's with his water gun. The dark lofts, you know. Yes, we try our best. The cat is just curious, you know. Bunch of corn-fed pigeons, race birds, you know. Yeah. Look at that. I'm not sure. I know some birds drifted out, so we'll see. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more aerials. And yeah, we'll see. Look at these guys. Kind of antsy. Yeah, Uncle Ham's bird, Houdini. That was definitely Houdini, because that's Scarface. And that's its nestmate, Marshall. So, yeah. That bird's a flyer. That's a nice pie though up there.